Welcome to Awesome Code. Please subscribe to my channel and like my video. In this video, we will learn about MAC addressing in Python. We are going to use MAC module to get the physical address of the device. We will use get MAC module of Python. So first, we need to install get MAC. We can use pip3 install get MAC on terminal. And enter. After the installation, we can import and we can type from get mac import get mac address as kmac, and then we can just print kmac. Let's run our code and check the output, and now we can run our code, and this way we get our MAC address. And now I'm going to use the net address uh, library from Python. So I'm going to add from net address import and instance of the EU class are used to represent MAC address. So I'm going to pass in our MAC address to EUI class. So, right here. This will be our MAC EUI. And Mac. And there are methods to print out common properties of an address. So I'm just gonna do mac.info. This method provides info on OUI and other organizational. So I'm going to just type print and mac.info. And then we are going to set our OUI by mac.OUI, and we can also print OI's registration org and also registrations address. So I'm gonna do all of them. So this one be print OUI dot registration dot org and print UI dot registration dot address. Now we can run our code and check the output. It should be. Now this way we get all those information. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my channel. Simco, like my video, keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.